Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Peacock TV how to pay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to pay for Peacock TV, first what you need to do is simply head over and open the Peacock TV application and log into your account or create an account if you don't have one. Then once you have created your account and you are on your home screen of the Peacock TV, what you need to do here is tap on your account icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And on tapping it, you will be sent to Who's Watching page, and on the top right corner of your screen you will find the option that says Accounts right here. Simply select that. And once you're inside your account settings, what you need to do is select the plans and payments. Then once you're inside plans and payments, if you're using free, there is no payment needed and you will be accessed to a limited content only. Now if you are using premium, you'll have full access, which is ad supported, and if you are using premium plus, you'll have full access with no ads. Select the plan that you want. Now as you select the plan, what you need to do is enter your payment details. Now you can enter your payment details like credit or debit card or PayPal, and all you gotta do now is review your plan and payment details. And once you have checked all those, simply tap on subscribe, confirm payment, and as you tap on confirm payment, you are now a Peacock premium subscriber. You can now watch all premium shows and movies. Your payment will auto-renew monthly unless you cancel it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.